Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show how to convert .avi video format to MP4 by using a VLC media player. So let's start it. First of all, open VLC media player and click on media tab. Look for convert and save. Then add the video file that you want to convert to MP4 format. Look for its type. Its type is .avi. So select it and click on convert and save. Make sure that you select this option video H.264 plus MP4 and make sure that this option is selected. From here, select the destination that you want to save the converted file. The destination is okay, just I put new name. And do start. It's done. The source file, look for its type and size, the converted file and the source file properties. Compare it. Its type .avi and its type .mp4. Its size 41.6 MB and 4.17 MB. Thank you for your watching. If you find this kind of video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.